In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to block properly in Heroes Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the controls in Heroes Battlegrounds and how to block. So to block, on most platforms, you will have a dedicated block button. So for PC, all that you have to do is press F on your keyboard. So go ahead and press F. Immediately upon pressing it, your character will put their arms up, covering their faces here, and you will be able to block one subsequent attack. If you are on mobile, you will have the dedicated block button. And all that you have to do after is just keep holding block, and if someone attacks you with an M1 while you are blocking, you will deflect the attack and you won't take a lot of damage. Now, of course, not all abilities can be blocked. Some abilities will just bypass the block altogether because they are too strong for you to block, but for the most part, you can use this during encounters where you and an enemy are exchanging M1s. So if both of you are just swapping M1s back to back to back, what you can do is try to bait an attack from your opponent. So you can block, and as you can see, you can still walk around slowly while blocking. You can turn your camera around, so if they are trying to dash behind you or something like that, you will be able to turn around quickly to block it. You can also walk backwards, maybe to cover your vulnerable spots, and there are a lot of ways to do this. So all that you have to do is hold block, and while holding, you won't receive any damage from basic attacks. So it is a very smart move to make, and of course, you want to play a mix of offensive and defense. So blocking is essential. You can try to bait out attacks from your opponent, so rush them down, and once they try to retaliate, you can just block and wait for an opening, or you can play defensively. Just keep blocking a lot of the time, and then once they eventually get tired, you will have your opening to combo them back to back to back. But to keep it simple, all that you have to do to block properly is to hold F on PC. I hope I was able to help you on how to block properly in Heroes Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.